Today, millions of Sri Lankans depend on buses, yet the system operates without intelligence, without data, and without certainty. More than 68% of commuters rely on buses and trains, with limited visibility, control, or reliability. But what does that actually feel like? Long waits, overcrowded buses, unpredictable arrivals. Especially in cities like Colombo, where peak hours turn daily travel into time lost. This isn't just inconvenient, it's inefficient, and the impact goes deeper. In 2024 alone, over 2,000 bus accidents were recorded, thousands more injuries, including drivers and conductors. Zoom out, and the picture becomes even more serious. Sri Lanka sees 38,000 road accidents annually, with thousands of lives affected. Introducing Ride Pass, real-time insight for smarter transport. Let's see who involved in Ride Pass. Drivers with real-time insights, including optimized routes, traffic awareness, and operational support. Smart ticketing system that goes beyond transactions. Every ticket issues become a data point, capturing passenger flow, crowd levels, and route demand in real time. Ride Pass introduced a powerful owner dashboard, enabling bus owners to track income, monitor performance, and manage maintenance, ensuring operational efficiency and financial transparency. For transport authorities, Ride Pass delivers a centralized control system, providing live monitoring, data analytics, and AI-driven decision-making tools to manage and optimize the entire network. Passengers gain complete control of their journey, with live bus tracking, real-time crowd visibility, and instant access to complaint services, creating a more reliable and transparent travel experience. We redefining the public transport by providing real-time updates, demand prediction, and route optimization, as well as welfare management. Passengers can now track buses in real time and see crowd levels before they even arrive. No more guessing, no more waiting in uncertainty. Powered by advanced AI, Ride Pass predicts passenger demand before it happens, not just tracking the present but understanding the future. With intelligent insight, authorities can optimize routes based on actual demand, not assumptions. A centralized complaint system brings accountability, reducing misconduct and improving service quality across the network. For the first time, drivers and conductors are not ignored. Ride Pass introduced a dedicated welfare system, ensuring protection, support, and recognition. Here's our tech stack and how Ride Pass work at the system level. Wow, Ride Pass saves time. See live buses and crowd levels in real time. Select the best bus and book instantly. Quick scanning makes travel smooth. Behind it all, a powerful cloud system connects everyone using APIs and machine learning to deliver smarter transport. What set Ride Pass apart? Our impact: happy passenger, less waiting time, social security guard. Our solution goes beyond technology. Sustainable development goals. We promote decent work and economic growth. We drive industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We reduce inequalities. We support sustainable cities and communities. Ride Pass operates on a zero infrastructure, data-driven model. We generate revenue through government partnerships, operator subscriptions, and premium passenger services, all without ads. We start small with a single route, providing real-world impact. Then we scale to hundreds of buses and routes, integrate with government system as nationwide transport solution.